If you're looking for a people mover that's both reliable, economical, and guess what, capable, check it out. The new 2024 Ford Expedition XLT. White in color, V6 power underneath the hood for 22 miles per gallon highway and a little bit more. I've done it. 20-inch painted alloy wheels wrapped in Hankooks. We have our side steps. We have both have heated and vented power driver passenger seats. Big, huge space here in the console. Also, different drive modes, console shifter, wireless charging, connectivity, our climate controls, our radio controls, big, huge screen, updated for nav, also traditional gauges, and a bigger driver information station. And also, we have electric tilt and electric foot pedals. Second row is two twin heated captains. Oh yeah, a lot of floor mat in here to keep the floors clean. We have a power inverter here, dual USB-Cs, and our climate control right there in 12-volt power. Third row capable, you bet. Not only do they have USB-C or three ports on each side, they're also reclinable. Yes, they are. But guess what? One touch right here, and the third row goes down with the greatest of ease. One touch here. Second row, boom, they go down, and we have plenty more room for cargo on the new 2024 Ford Expedition XLT from Payne Rio Grande City Ford. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.